turns twice, nothing happens. Dashboard judging my life choices. Headlights flicker like maybe, same way I do when I'm broke and hopeful. Gas gauge lying like a friend, says we're good but we both know when. I push worse things further than this, still standing, still reckless. Everybody says slow it down, but I've never been good at waiting around. If it's dead weight, let it stall. I've been moving without it all. Truck won't start, but I do. Kick the dust, shake it loose. World says stop, I say who? I don't need keys, I break through. Truck won't start, still rolling, heartbeats loud, still going. If it's me against the truth, truck won't start, but I do. Rear view full of almost could have been piled in the back. Every mile I ever lost taught me how to snap back. Radio stuck on the same song, singing like it knows my luck. Everybody else needs permission, I just need enough. They say wait till the light turns green. I've been running red since 17. If it falls apart on the way, that's the price I'm glad to pay. Truck won't start, but I do. Crack knuckles, bad attitude. Road don't care, neither do you. That's why this works, that's the truth. Truck won't start, still moving, same fire, different ruin. If the plan breaks down right through, truck won't start, but I do. I've walked miles with nothing lined up, turned dead ends into run-ups. If the engine quits fine, I'll shoulder the rest of the climb. No tow truck, no prayer, just grit. No more. Truck won't stop.